stage one was to glue and screw the end slats in the middle slat. That way it would lock everything into position. Let that dry for a little bit and then come back and screw in all my remaining slats. I could release it from the clamps, unturtle it off its back, and start laying in each individual slats and prepping them for pre-drilling. And then I could send all those 3-inch stainless steel screws home. I'm using a little bit of paste wax for some lubrication. And then I could flip this thing over. Boy, that thing got a little heavy. Then I could sand out any imperfections on the top and give it a test run. So if you start with a clear finish and then coat it with the satin, it gives you a much better looking finish and lets more of that wood grain come through. And with that, this bench was done.